What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete your search history on the YouTube app. If you want to clear your search history for a fresh start or just for privacy reasons, there are two ways to do it. For the first method, open the YouTube app and go to the homepage. Tap the search button at the top right. Here, you will see a list of your previous searches. To delete an individual search, swipe it from right to left and then tap delete. This method works, but if you have a lot of search history, it can be time-consuming. A faster way is to go into your settings. To do this, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the gear icon in the top right to access your settings. From the list, select Manage All History. On your Google account settings page, scroll down to find the YouTube search history section. On the right, tap Delete. You can choose Delete All Time to remove all search history. Confirm your choice by tapping Confirm in the bottom right. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.